In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Edit with Elementor button missing, step by step. If the Edit with Elementor button has disappeared, it usually comes down to settings, versions, or a conflict. I'll guide you through a clean sequence to bring it back quickly and safely. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard with an account that has administrator access. You'll be working in the backend, so make sure you're on the correct site and environment. If you manage multiple sites or a staging setup, double check you're in the right place before proceeding. Next, go to Elementor, then Settings. Here's where Elementor decides which content types it's allowed to edit. Open the Post Types tab. Make sure the boxes are checked for every type you want to use with Elementor, typically pages and posts, plus any custom post types you rely on. If a type isn't checked, the button won't appear when you edit that content. After selecting the correct post types, click Save Changes. Give the page a moment to refresh, then revisit a page or post editor to see if the button has returned. If it's still missing, go to Dashboard, then Updates. Bring WordPress core, your active theme, and all plugins up to date. Out-of-date software can break editor integrations and hide UI elements. Updates are safe in most situations, but if your site is mission critical, confirm you have a recent backup in place before major updates. When everything is current, check again for the button. Now confirm Elementor and Elementor Pro are on the same latest version. A mismatch between the free and pro plugins is a common cause of missing functionality. Head to the plugins page and update both so their version numbers align. If you only use the free plugin, just ensure it's fully updated. If the button still hasn't reappeared, test for a plugin conflict. Deactivate all plugins except Elementor. Then open a page or post and see if the button shows up. If it does, reactivate your other plugins one at a time, checking after each activation. When the button disappears again, you've found the conflicting plugin. Keep it deactivated, look for an update, or contact the developer for a fix. Finally, test your theme. Temporarily switch to a lightweight default like Hello Elementor. If the button comes back immediately, your theme is the culprit. You can then switch back, share the conflict details with the theme author, or consider a more compatible theme. Follow these steps in order, and you'll reliably restore the Edit with Elementor button. Thanks for watching and happy building.